Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today I'll show you how to download and install Git on Windows in just a few simple steps. If you're into coding, version control, or working with GitHub, this is an essential tool for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download Git for Windows. First, open your browser and head over to the official Git website. Just type https://gitscm.com/. On the homepage, you'll see a big download button. Click on it, and Git will automatically detect your OS and download the latest version for Windows. Step 2. Run the Git installer. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. Now, the installation wizard will appear. Click Next to proceed. Optional tip: if you're a beginner, stick to the default settings. Advanced users can tweak the installation settings. Step 3. Configure installation options. Make sure you select these important options. Choose the default editor for Git. I recommend VS Code or Nano. Let Git be added to the system path. Use OpenSSH for authentication. For beginners, just leave everything as default and click Next until you reach Install. Step 4. Complete the installation. Now, Git will install on your system. This should only take a few seconds. Once done, click Finish, and that's it. Git is now installed on your Windows machine. Step 5. Verify Git installation. To check if Git is installed correctly, open Command Prompt or Git Bash and type sh-git version. If you see a version number, congrats! Git is successfully installed. Now that you have Git installed, you can start using it for version control, GitHub collaboration, and more. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one. Peace.